Hey, what's your name?
I'm Fritz.
Do you have any hobbies?
Well, I like gardening.
Do you?
Well, I obviously don't have a green thumb.
The Growable Calendar turns you into a gardener. Yeah, even you. This calendar accompanies you through the gardening year. And it can even be planted. The calendar pages are made of seed paper and can be put into soil at the end of each month. Everything you need to know about sowing and growing your plants is in the calendar pages. The seeds are certified organic and non-hybrid. Take good care of them. And in time, plants will grow from the paper you sow. And along with them, you will grow into a hobby gardener. If you are an absolute beginner, then the Jack-of-all-trades calendar version is made for you. It contains low-maintenance seeds that you can plant on your balcony or a windowsill. For more experienced gardeners, there is a Back to the Roots version. This allows you to try rare and exciting varieties. The Growable Calendar lets you grow your own vegetables. Your home and outlook will become greener, and your skills will improve. Discover everything that gardening has to offer. Maybe, like Fritz, you're wondering who's behind the Growable Calendar.
Hi, we are Orlando
And Manu.
and we are the inventors and creators of the Growable Calendar.
We believe that all of us can develop a green thumb even though you don't have any garden or any experience, just like Fritz.
With the Growable Calendar, we want to encourage you to try it out.
Not only to create biodiverse habitats at your home, but also to grow your own food.
Bring this experience of nature into your home and support our campaign. Let's grow together.